tonight. We're in the rainforest, and it's like really hot. As you can tell, there's a lot of birds and fishes.
It's because of Christian. Christian's so hot.
Birds and fishes. And if you look, let me see the camera. Kristen, let me see the camera. Come on, Kristen, let me see the camera, Kristen. Okay. There's a big bird over here.
Big bird.
It's alive, and in this rainforest, I feel like the person on Temple Run, like, because here's the setting.
It's a birdie.
Hey,
guys.
and you remember? Hey,
You remember? College.
oh yeah.
You remember college?
So yeah, you know the setting up there reminds me of Temple Run. I feel like running, but there's stairs. And stairs are dangerous.
Who cares? Dangerous is fun.
The danger is my middle name. See now? No, Kristen, we're all hot and sweaty, and yeah, and we're starting to smell really bad. Here's another setting. Yeah, it's pretty and stuff. Hey, what up? Hey, that's the camera, my bad. Alright, that was Ashlyn Johnson. Say hi, Ashlyn.
Hello.
And yeah, so, oh, cool. Same camera.
Look at that.
Oh, same camera. Okay, we're about to see a big snake, so viewers' discretion if you're afraid of snakes. There are some piranhas.
Oh, why, hello.
Piranhas.
I am the piranha.
And we're about to go see Mr. Snake.
You can see that behind that.
Darby, don't look. Darby.
It goes all the way up in there.
Oh my goodness!
So yeah, big snakes, really big snakes. And yeah, so we're having fun over here at Moody Gardens. We're about to go see an IMAX movie about tornadoes. Then we're going to see another one. And here's Kristen. Kristen, say hi.
Hi.
She was filming with the fishes over there and stuff, and the birds. So yeah, I hope to get to y'all sooner. I'll talk to you after the IMAX on the bus ride home. Alright, bye. Is it off?